Hi, my name is Chris Esposito and welcome to Delta Polymers. What I want to do today is just briefly tell you about exactly who we are as a company, and then we're also going to do just a real quick walkthrough of the factory. Now, Delta Polymers, we are a world leader and dedicated supplier of the highest quality of epoxy, silicone, and polyurethane products. Now, for well over 25 years, we've been servicing the commercial, the residential, and the industrial industries, supplying them with not only the most consistent formulas, but the most superior formulas for the lowest cost possible. Now, customer satisfaction, quality, and research and development of our formulations have been the three main focal points of our company since our introduction into the epoxy resin industry, which dates back to 1986. We're a trusted and respected international supplier. We ship all over the world. The materials are the best because the people that are making them are the best. Our in-house staff, specifically trained chemists and engineers, are here to customize any kind of formulation you may need when it comes to polyurethane, epoxy, or silicone for your specific project. Our development of our world-class sealers, waterproofing membranes, and epoxy has placed us at the very top of the list of tens of thousands of the most respected companies in the construction industry, the marine industry, the aviation industry, and also the electronic technology industry. Why? Because we pride ourselves on not only competitive pricing, short-term runs, and an ongoing commitment to research and development. Resting assured that we're here to walk you through every step of your project, but whatever that may be. And that is exactly how we stay ahead of the curve. As you can see right here, this is a giant tanker, and what this is actually one of the key ingredients that goes into making a lot of our formulations. By this being primarily one of our main storage rooms, as you can see with all these drums, I'm sure they're not going to mean that much to you, but they really mean a lot to us because these are actually the key ingredients that go into making the far superior formulations that we're getting ready to send out to you. Come with me. Next area that I'm about to show you is an area of the factory where we keep a lot of our sand. And a lot of you may be scratching your heads and wondering what the sand is for. The sand is actually a key component in a lot of formulations that we have because this is actually what's going to give the epoxy a lot of texture. So now this sand, what we do is we make it in thousands of colors. We can make any color that anybody really ever wants or needs. And with that, they don't have to take away from the decorative aspect of a textured floor. So now we're in basically our sand area, and this is where we store a lot of our colored sand. So let me show you. This is a tri-colored gemstone quartz sand broadcast, and what we do is we take 3 different colors of sand, come up with a ratio, mix them together, and that's what really gives you a lot of the beautiful finish that you may see. Also, we supply straight solid sand. So this is something that you may see, for example, and it's the reason why I grabbed this color in a pool application, on the bottom of a pool in the transition. This is also something that's used in a lot of boats as well too. But this is a very nice color of blue that's very, very difficult to achieve. Now, everybody has seen the paint chips that you see on a Rust-Oleum box, but not many people have seen these tri-colored chips. And what these are is, and I'm just trying to find a good one, there's one here, there's some that's textured, but here's the one. This is actually what we call seashell. And as you can see, it kind of does look like the back end of a seashell. So we have this in a couple different color combinations, and it's just one more option that you have when it comes to doing decorative work with concrete or wood or any other kind of composite that you're going to be working with. This is great. A lot of people use this in bathrooms on boats. They also use this in garages, and personally this is actually one of my favorite combinations. And as you can see with my hands, I'm crushing this down, and this is going to give us a smaller size flake. You can buy these flakes in the smaller size, but by doing this you now have changed the look where you can actually start to get it to look like the sand or even maybe a nice piece of granite. Now for security purposes, this area is going to be a lot of quick. This is where actually the magic happens. This is where we mix the material, we come up with our formulations so that we're able to put out to you guys, our clients, the best material possible. So we're just going to take a quick walk through this area, and from there, again, if you have any questions, he'll post my number. Feel free to give me a call. This area right here is our lab area. This is where we take a lot of the calls. As you can see, they're working with people right now, figuring out their solutions and coming up with a way. That's Rana. He's the head chemist and the owner of the company. Now this is an area where we actually start to make some of our materials, and it's the first process. Things get formulated here, and then from there, they go over to the next section where they start to be made in bigger quantities. We're coming up to the mixing section. This is where we actually mix pump water for you, your material. So whether it be a small amount, a couple of gallons, or an actual drum sizes, each one gets labeled specifically so that no mistakes are made. So if you have any more questions after you've seen the factory and you'd like to reach out to me directly, my number is 1-877-605-0234. My name again is Chris Esposito. I'm here if you need me. Give me a call and I'll be happy to help you out with your situation. Thank you again.